We're here at Make Cool Stuff Day at Penn College of Technology, and we're really here to inspire kids about innovation and making cool things, learning about how other people are doing that, and how they might have a really cool career in manufacturing and making cool stuff.
But this world is becoming increasingly globalized and well-connected.
Hi, my name is Nicholas Gilson, and I work with Gilson Boards, a new technology snowboard company. I was honored to be asked to speak at Make Cool Stuff Day, which is an event brought together by the IMC, the Innovative Manufacturing Center of Pennsylvania, as well as the Penn College of Technology. We enjoyed talking to these kids. They're an incredibly intelligent group. They've got a lot of smart things to say, and it's really neat to see people at that age getting involved with technology and with machines and equipment that when I was their age, I didn't get to touch.
Most kids want to see something tangible. Okay, I made this. For some people, that's the spark. And that's the big thing that you need today, is to catch kids and have a spark for those kids. And that's another reason we're here at Penn College, to interest kids, to get that spark, to say, hey, I can do that. And I think that's pretty much our whole intention in education anymore, is get the kids that spark, make them learn, help them to learn, and then move on in life so that they have something tangible that they can hold on to.
You're definitely going to be out of your comfort zone. You're going to be pushed and you're going to have to work really hard, but the work is fun and you can be creative and you can try new things.
It's about resilience and perseverance and understanding that failure is not a bad thing. Failure is to be expected, and actually failure, although painful, should be, you should look forward to it, because those are the points when you learn the most. And in that knowledge collected from failure is when you can really take something to a much higher level, and you can't do it yourself. You got to surround yourself with the right people.